Ray from Bridge Marina here, doing a review on this 2012 AquaQuad. It's a really unique boat. This is not a personal watercraft, but it's a unique boat that's kind of meant to be like a personal watercraft, but it is not a personal watercraft. The thing that makes it so cool is that this is actually a boat by the U.S. Coast Guard. So that means like you can put navigation lights on this and use it at night. That also means that if there's any place where there's regulations for personal watercraft, this does not fall within those. So it really just makes it really unique in what it is. It is actually an inflatable with a rigid hull. So this thing has a rigid fiberglass hull underneath it. And what that means is that it's going to have a little bit more of a stable ride, or a little bit better ride and chop, because it does have a little bit of a V. It has a fiberglass center hull, and then it has rigid inflatables on the sponsons. So it makes it kind of like a catamaran, which means it runs really neat, hops up on the water, and actually sort of feels like you're flying, which is pretty damn cool. It does run in the mid-20s, like 25, 28 miles an hour, but it feels like you're going 60 because it's like you're flying, which just makes this thing a lot of fun. It is very stable, so it makes it useful when you are, around the docks, or as you're going to see when I hop on this thing, like I could jump on and walk around this, which I can't typically do on a personal watercraft. I'm going to step right up on the bow, and as you can see, this boat holds me, and I'm about 185 pounds. And one of the neat things is like folks actually use these for fishing and put a seat on the bow, so I can sit up on the bow and fish from here, or if I had to get on and off at a dock or something. And it's not hard to walk around because it is just that stable. And then of course it has this bar in the back, but that bar is there for folks to hold on to. It is not a ski tow bar, but as you can see, you can easily walk around on this thing, which just make it great, especially, perhaps you're a little bit older, you don't have as great a balance, personal watercraft doesn't work for you, this might. And then of course, one of the jams of the personal watercraft is you want to go out, get dinner, or do something on it, but you got to be home by dark. Put some nav lights on this and you do not. But it's just a lot of fun to ride. This thing, it's like driving a, four-wheeler or something like that, because four-wheelers kind of have a lot of stability, but they turn a little bit different than a dirt bike or a three-wheeler. This thing's about the same because it's a catamaran. You're going to see this thing does have its throttle. It's a twist throttle like an old school dirt bike up here on the handlebars. This thing is pull start, and it does have a small 6-gallon tank underneath here. The throttle is all like an old school twist throttle, which just makes it fun when you're going down the water, if you're of that vintage where you like that. Just so you can take a look at the shifter here, but this is more like a standard shifter you'd see on an outboard with, a safety neutral as well as a forward and reverse. So once I put it in forward, I'm in forward gear and can use my throttle, reverse, and in reverse gear, and I can use my throttle. But if you're interested, this might be for you, maybe for a friend, or maybe you want this and another one for your friend, because I do have a blue one as well. Reach out and we'll see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching.